Hi, I'm Ciara and this is What the Fuckle, where I answer your questions about the Irish language. Today's question is Irish. Is that not just English with an accent? In a word, no. So in this video, I'll explain why people think that Irish is just English with an accent and what Irish is. There are different dialects of English spoken all around the world. And in Ireland, the dialect that we speak is called Hiberno-English. This means that in Ireland we use words and phrases that an English speaker from England or an English speaker from America might not use or even understand. Who's your man? Or what's the crack? So these are normal phrases that are used every day in Ireland and we speak them with an Irish accent. But that's still English. Irish refers to Irish Gaelic, also known as Gaeilge. And this is the language spoken in the island of Ireland going back thousands and thousands and thousands of years. And actually, that language was brought to Scotland, where it became Scots Gaelic, and it was brought to the Isle of Man, where it became Manx. These languages are all Gaelic, and they all also fall under the broader category of Celtic. So hopefully that clears up any confusion that might be there. So what's the story with Irish in Ireland? Well, it's the first official language of the country, the second one being English, and it's also an official language of the European Union. When you imagine an Irish speaker, don't automatically assume that they'd be somebody down a country lane playing a fiddle, smoking a pipe, wearing tweed, drinking Guinness. Like, they're all just kind of stereotypes that have to do with Ireland, and they don't always go with the Irish language. It's a modern language, and there's much more than that to it. It's a living language and a minority language in the country, and it's spoken by people all over the country of all different ages and backgrounds, and people with different interests as well, not just in the Gaeltachtaí, which are the Irish speaking regions. So, is Irish just English with an accent? No. This has been What the Fuckle, where I answer your questions about the Irish language.